All the seagulls flying.
Mama.
We are going
To a lake.
to a lake to have some fun
And go on our boat.
and go in our boat. Oh, that's a surprise.
Our big boat.
Is it our big boat? Do we have many boats?
Yeah, we got 2 boats.
Ah, okay. Today is Saturday and
Next Sunday and it's Father's Day.
tomorrow is Sunday and it's Father's Day.
Today's Sunday.
Today's Saturday.
No, Saturday's today.
Yesterday was Friday. Did you go to childcare yesterday? Happy Saturday.
No, happy Father's Day.
Happy Father's Day tomorrow. Okay. Okay. And it's a nice, beautiful day.
Oh, it's Father's Day.
And we're gonna have some fun.
It's Sunday.
And what's the fun? It's a surprise. And we will let you know very shortly what that surprise is. Telstra Tower, Ari, that's Black Mountain. Can you see Black Mountain? Can you see Telstra Tower or you can't? Can't?
Mama, look.
We're gonna enter Black Mountain Peninsula. Yeah.
Oh, is this the lake taking me?
Yeah, we have just arrived at the boat ramp in the lake, inflating our little boat. It took some time. We have had some problems with the pump. Agan chose to stay in the car. Anyway, enjoy the time lapse while we get the boat in the water. Going
To the mountain.
to the mountain.
I didn't know that though. Then when you get out, put your shoes on. I don't need to do it.
Oh,
And you would go in the water. Like this. A sea lion. Now,
Down to do some paddling. And we are in Black Mountain Peninsula
no,
in the
it's a
boat,
duck. Mama, put the
having
jacket on.
fun.
Mama,
Yes, Sari.
put your life jacket on. It's a jacket. It was lit.
What can you see from here? You can see the beautiful Black Mountain, the Telstra Tower.
Yeah.
There. Can you see the Telstra Tower?
Yeah.
Yeah. We can see the Telstra Tower from here. Whoa, look at the ducky flying. Whoa. I think it got scared of us. No. No.
National Museum of Australia.
National Museum of Australia. We are just crossing and we could see the Parliament House. Can you see the flag? That's the Parliament House.
Zoo is on the other side.
Zoo? Oh.
Look at all the birdies on the island. It's getting a little bit wobbly. It's a little windy.
Let's go back.
Maybe?
Yeah.
Why?
So hard.
Are we enjoying the sunset?
Mom said.
Oh, it's so pretty.
Mrs. said. I am broken.
There are a few boats over there. Look, we are so close to the land. Oh, look at the bird is flying.
We got scared of you.
Wow. Whoa. And this is the new boat club. I think they also they can have parties. Really, that's the place we are going to go. That's where we go on. And we're going to get off on the same place.
Not sure what happened to the audio here. It was late by the time we got out of the water. So here's a voiceover. I think I was saying it is just after 6 and a pleasant spring evening. The sky was beautiful. We didn't spend too much time in the water today. You can see the full moon behind me. Anyway, time to pack up now. Kids are hungry. Rabba is reversing the car close to everything. We'll load everything up in the car. See you in the next video. Cheers. Bye.